Hi everyone, welcome. If you love bags like me, please join me on my bag love journey. And together, let's enjoy this beautiful piece. So today I would like to share with you what's in my bag. So this bag is from the brand Secosana and the name of the bag is Jinni. I already did a video of the unboxing of this bag. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it up here in case you want to view it, to watch it. So now I would like to share with you what I have inside my bag. So Genie comes in this free keychain and alcohol bottle. Very cute design. So first at the back, it has a zippered portion. And I really love this part because I can easily get things from here. I have here my card holder that houses my most used cards. And then I have here 3 pen that I bring. And I have here my fan. This is a folded fan with many hearts, and it is in the shape of hexagon. So that's it on this portion. So inside the main compartment, I have a lot of things inside of this. I carry this. This is a pouch where I put my change and my receipts. It's empty at the moment. I have my notebook, and then I have here my phone, and then I have my lip tint, my current lip tint. This is from Dear Self Beauty. I just placed it in a bigger bottle. And I have my perfume. This is Christine de Villiers perfume. I also have my card holder. And then I have a hair clamp. Then I have here my corner zip wristlet from Coach, where I place my small things so that it will not scatter inside the bag, and it matches with the color of the bag. Then I also have here pocket area. I have my hair loop, and then I have here my umbrella that I place inside the Christine Louis pouch. And lastly, I have here, I brought my Sweet Pea body mist from Body Bath Works. This is my favorite scent from Body Bath Works. Really suits my skin chemistry. So if you notice, this Genie bag does have a non-removable strap, and I removed it. You can see it doesn't have that the strap anymore. This is the strap, and I cut it off because I really want the straps to be removable, to be replaceable in case I want a thicker strap, a thinner strap. But I bought this one that would really match this bag. This one is from Shopee, and I think that this would give the bag a different look. And I'm very happy that I did remove the strap, the non-removable strap. And there, you see, it looks nicer, right? I added this like a Chanel's design strap, the strap that has the chain and leather together, and it matches the color of the bag, slightly match, but I really liked it. I loved it even better when it had a old strap, so I just did some minor revamp because the bag itself is already beautiful. So I just make some adjustments, and this, since this design quilted is like a Chanel vibes, is giving us some Chanel vibes, so I decided to put some of the Chanel touch that would really make the bag even more beautiful. So I really hope you enjoyed. I really did enjoy sharing with you what I have in my bag and my little revamp. So thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.